Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called SiteMoviePro, which is a brand new app that helps users create automated Netflix or Amazon Prime video like websites in less than 60 seconds without any tech skills or coding required. So watch the complete video to see full review and demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 3 free bonuses worth rupees $2000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.